Are you looking for the best car vacuums? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best car vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Black+Decker Dustbuster. Surprised? So were we. But there's no doubt, this is the best car vacuum we tested. While it lacked gold star status in the suction and battery life test, the trusty Black+Decker Dustbuster reigned supreme in our real-life floor mat test. Black+Decker's renowned portable vacuum features a large mouth that had zero issues cleaning up all 5 of our test contaminants. Just the sort of mess that's often found on a car floorboard. The opening was wide enough to avoid clogs, and the collection chamber handled it all with ease. Dumping the dirt, without leaving anything stuck around the filter, is a breeze too. We also liked the design of the stand-up charging base. That said, it's not perfect. The battery life is low compared to the other contenders, so you'll have to hustle if you want to vacuum your entire interior. The Dustbuster is also on the loud side, with a high-pitched whistle that might make your dog squirm. Despite those drawbacks, we chose the Dustbuster as our best overall car vacuum for its successful blend of price, performance, and household versatility. Number 2. Dyson Car Boat. Dyson is known for their vacuums, and their newly released Car Boat is another example showcasing their long history as a leader in the field. When testing this aptly named tool, we were impressed by the suction power as well as the simplicity of the debris release mechanism. It almost feels like you're reloading a weapon, ready to return to battle, cleaning out the debris from your vehicle. What detracted a bit from our liking was the limited runtime on the max power mode, as the device couldn't even hit the 7-minute mark. However, Dyson reports that it should go for up to 40 minutes in the low power setting, which is quite respectable. It also comes with a variety of attachments, including a crevice tool, a motorized brush, and one that combines them both. This is one of the most advanced units we tested, and it performed well in our floor mat test, but it'll cost you a pretty penny. Number 3. Black+Decker Pivot 20V. Black+Decker performed well in our tests, as shown by its occupation of the top 2 spots on our list, with second place going to the Black+Decker Pivot. Again, its wide-mouthed crevice opening did very well against our 5 contaminants, but the most attractive feature is the pivot function, hence the name. The long crevice opening, paired with up to 200 degrees of pivot angle, allows the pivot to get into typically inaccessible places. Battery life is so-so, coming in at just around 11 minutes, and the noise level is pretty average. Our one knock on the pivot comes when dumping the dust. Due to its design, the small intake channel gets clogged with large particles quite easily as they try to get around the filter. Be prepared to empty it a few times if you're tackling big chunks. Aside from that, the pivot does an excellent job cleaning cars quickly, and the pivoting function offers unique angles. Number 4. WORX Cordless Cube. It was the design of this vacuum that scored it some big points. The WORX Cube is super compact and easily portable. The extendable hose is really nice too, as it lets you reach those tighter areas, and there's a crevice attachment included for greater challenges. The suction was decent, certainly enough to perform well in our testing, but it lacks the serious power of other units. As for battery life, the WORX went for just over 10 minutes in its high suction mode, which is enough for small jobs but probably not the whole car. It was also pretty loud, generating 77 decibels of noise. The only other gripe we had with it was the easy open debris release, which tends to get clogged. We found we had to use our fingers, even after knocking it on the side of the trash can, to clear it completely. Despite those few things, we really liked this vacuum. It does everything just well enough to be a top contender. Number 5. Fantic Slim V8 Apex. There were lots of highs and lows for the Fantic V8. It's small, light, and easy to transport. It may seem like a David, but this little thing has Goliath levels of suction power, and it remains quiet even on the high setting. It also meets the manufacturer's claim of a 13-minute run time. That number allegedly jumps to 40 minutes in eco mode. On the flip side, its small size is also a drawback. There just isn't much room for debris, so you have to empty it often when clearing larger messes, and that's not very easy. The filter tends to get clogged, and because it's so compact you might even have to remove it to get everything out, which can be a hassle. The Fanttik also doesn't have a wide nozzle, so you'll struggle with anything Cheerio-sized or larger. It does recover some points with its versatility, however. The Fanttik can function as a blower, inflator, and vacuum sealer, thanks to the myriad attachments that accompany it. While it's not the choice for serious tasks, this is a well-designed all-rounder for everyday cleaning.